and log into it, Moto. And then the sheets of paper that we gave you, the second slide has the code I need you to put in for our group. And then we'll need you to answer 2 polls.
How to quiz the polls?
Polls.
Not polls.
Polls. If you have any questions on adding to it, let us know.
And then just kind of the code in there so like that. Did you enjoy it? Yeah. Okay.
So while you guys are logging on and doing the poll, I'm going to give you a little bit of background information on how the Pythagorean theorem came to be. It all started way back when, like 500 BC, with a man named Pythagoras. And he was a brilliant mathematician. He was from Greece, but he spent most of his life in Italy. And he was kind of like the Jesus of math. He actually had like disciples, and he taught what he knew to them. And then they kind of spread all out, and they taught what he had taught them to other people. They were like pure people. I think it says up there like they only ate beans and wore long hair. So you can kind of picture that in your head. But Pythagoras was the first mathematician to prove that the Pythagorean theorem was true. And it obviously was very successful because we still use it today. And it's named after Pythagoras. So that's just a little background information on how it came to be.
Everyone got the polls in? Or done their polls? Are you having trouble joining?
No, I just got it.
Anybody need help?
Do you have any You know how to get out to the teacher with the stick, right? He is on the back. Did you make yourself a teacher?
No, it accidentally.
There's just 2 holes in there, I think.
Yes.
Yeah, I could have found my other. You can tell us.
Just try and go in.
Try the other username. Do the other username or the other email account. Last year, it's not, you're not a student anymore. Yeah. Are you good?
Yeah, I
You
did.
good?
And then
You good?
golden.
You good? Golden? Solid? Good? Good, good? Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, are we good? Everybody?
You got it?
Let's see what we got.
I don't even know what that is.
Did everybody find the polls?
We're going to do them.
Because we still don't have everybody yet.
Yeah.
I know when started the test.
So we can't get out.
Not the quiz, so.
It'll be one short.
Okay.
R7, L3, candidate links prior academic learning to new learning.
Pythagorean theorem is? But can anyone tell the class what the Pythagorean theorem is? Anybody?
It's been a while.
R6, L2, this part shows that the students have a good interaction with the teachers of the group.
What do the letters stand for? What does A and B stand for? What are sides are they?
The 2 sides that are not equal.
Yep. And what does the C stand for? Okay. So have to color all triangles right. Yeah, and the thing is with the Pythagorean theorem, it only works on right triangles. It does not work on the other triangles. So you have the 90-degree angle here, and then the A and the B are the legs, and then the C is the hypotenuse. So.
All right, let's see if you guys know what you're talking about. Let's break up into groups of 3. There's 15 people. So groups of 3.
Sure. Oh, there's one behind you too.
Oh, never mind. You can be behind the cage.
If you guys need help with
guys-
anything,
Group of 3.
just call us over, we'll help you out if you need help.
I'm the third person.
They each need
Are you? Are you?
hey Sarah, they each need one of each color.
Yeah, one of each.
Oh, they do?
Yep.
Okay.
Or each group needs one of each color.
Yeah. Hey, look.
So you should each have 3 triangles.
So that
So
should
I
be
mean, we
That group
need,
needs one up there.
somebody who's orange in a
Let's
group.
take,
right here.
We need another person up at that group, so.
let's.
Well, we'll get it. We'll get it. We'll get it figured out.
You're yellow. You guys got your group you're going to be with.
Yeah.
Diving.
I'm still a yellow. Here's a ruler.
What is that? Clearly.
There's the other one here, triangles.
Hey Sarah, does each group have,
Each group should have yellow, blue, orange, and red.
yeah, there's only going to be 3 people in a group. These guys just have one yellow.
Okay. Well, I mean, no, I mean like the 4 that I gave, the yellow, blue, orange, and red are in the group.
But
Yellow.
there's only going to be 3 people in each group.
Yeah.
And I did it wrong.
Yeah.
I thought I was.
So each group should have a yellow, blue, orange, and red. And if you don't,
That's how it's
of course we do.
Yes, we did. You see the red? Yeah, red.
Thank you.
They need a yellow.
Perfect.
There we go.
So do you guys have more?
All right, so everybody should have an iPad too. If you open up the iPad, it comes up to this weird calculator. I'll show you what it looks like.
R7L4, students are engaged in learning tasks that develop understandings of mathematical concept and procedures.
You draw your exponents, you draw your square roots, right? Try it out. Then you can hit the, so you can try like 2, and maybe we want the square root of 2.
Oh,
See?
Wow.
Just hit the trash can to delete it.
Oh my gosh.
If you want to use a calculator that you have like on your iPad or on your computer, it just has to have a square root.
Yeah, I just have to.
If you don't feel comfortable using this. So we're going to start out by measuring some triangles to see if this a squared plus b squared equals c squared is actually true. So everybody start with their yellow triangle.
Wait, are we supposed to be using the numbers?
It's
Oh,
right.
it just gave me that. But it sounds right. Okay.
Oh, we didn't get.
R9L4, Stephen uses representations in ways that deepen students' understanding of mathematical concepts and procedures.
I mean, 1 times the square root is this one?
All right, so which side is A? I labeled them for you. A and B are all labeled, so let's measure A first. And who knows what A is?
Anyone? Does anyone know the side, how long A is?
6 inches. 6 inches, sir.
A equals 6. Okay, let's measure B.
8.
All right, so who wants to calculate A squared plus B squared?
I got it.
Thanks.
10. That's 10.
All right.
So it's
Did you measure it?
Yeah.
Did you calculate it?
Yeah.
You did both? So that works for this triangle. Does anybody know what this kind of triangle is? 3, 4, 5. That's right, Rich.
You're so fancy.
Alright. Let's do the blue triangle.
And we'll do it the same way, so once you know what
So
A is.
this time we're gonna actually calculate B. Yep. So let's measure A first.
Yes.
We're supposed to measure A first, and then A and C we're supposed to find.
You got it, girl.
R8, L2, candidate primarily asks surface level questions and evaluates student responses as correct or incorrect.
So how do you calculate what B is?
C squared minus A squared equals B squared.
Square root of C squared minus A squared, or B squared, whatever we measure, A squared.
Does anybody have an answer?
Squared.
826.
You said 5 square root of 3?
That's exactly what I said.
Everybody see what 5 square root of 3 is.
Guys, I really like this thing. It's super fancy.
That's right. Now measure it and see if you get
My
about
script calculator.
The same.
8 2/3 of an inch. Does anybody know what kind of triangle this is?
A triangle.
Oh, yes, that is correct. Yes, that is correct too.
This one's called a 1, 2 square root of 3 triangle. And that is because if you take 1 squared plus the square root of 3 squared, you get 4. And 4 is 2. Square root of 4. Alright. So let's just do, I think we have time for one more triangle. Let's do the hard one, the red one.
Red means hard, guys.
So this time, just do the 2 legs and tell me what C is. Don't measure C, sorry.
The red.
Alright. A is.
Oh, I've seen
I'm gonna go with just 6. B is
9. Dang it.
9.
What?
Oh, because if you add it together, you get the square root of what's 10.
What'd we get? Oh, what?
10.
What?
Oh, what?
How are we supposed to know that number?
Way.
On mine it was 8.9. 3, 7, 5. Can't you measure that 4 out of your hand?
If you have 7,
Unfortunately not.
by 3 and 9.
And I guess we should.
Yes.
We're all stuck.
Take a look at it. There you go.
Dude, this thing is like super cool.
Oh, yeah.
We did that in my class. But I never said
That's
So you should get about 10 3/4. Yeah. Did you guys get 10 3/4?
Yeah. It says me.
Alright. Well, I guess it's time for the test.
Yeah. So back on that photo.
So we have that quiz that everybody, so
sign
almost
back
goes
onto
into
a moto.
And take the
the quiz. You can do it with your group, but
Yes.
everybody needs to answer their own Edmodo quiz.
Yes.
And we'll use the triangle. Did you use it?
Is it computer one on? Oh my gosh, got my
You use this triangle
Yeah. So
for the assessment.
If anybody needs any help, let us know.
Okay. Well, when your computer comes up, I'll come back around.
You got decimals in there, you're on your own, don't worry.
Hey,
Mental math going on.
I'm just kidding. Yeah.
over there. Yeah, you have a calculator up on your phone or on your computer. You can use that.
Square root of 6.
That's times. You plus. There you go.
The group that we just had to do.
Oh, you did the square it.
There you go.
Now you got 94.
There you go.
Yeah.
And now we're doing.
We solved it, we're good.
You didn't want to say your phone, so.
That's what we got to do.
Yeah.
Do you want me to fix it? What's happening? Right up here. Not left running anymore.
You
No
can
more
use the
questions.
other one, the other calculator. You have to use that one.
Yeah, you can use calculators on your computer or whatever.
Right, just give me the answer. Get 100%. Right. This guy came prepared to class.
Oh, this is our calculator.
Oh.
Oh, I did.
Oh my gosh, it's time.
No, that's not. Guys, we're on smart.
We're on what?
We're on two.
We're on two.
We're on two.
Good. Oh, this one was hard.
I heard that.
You're welcome.
All right, I think we're about out of time, so. If you have any other questions, do you have any questions, anybody?
No.
You're all doing pretty good. See the results, we're doing pretty good.
Than I did when I